Minister in charge of Tourism Department and Social Welfare, Paul Lyngdoh, disclosed today that approximately 200 vendors currently operating in Khandai Lat will be relocated by June of this year. He stated that vending zones have been finalized with the Shillong Municipal Board overseeing the process. Lyngdoh emphasized that once this transition is complete, the area will transform into a vibrant music hub, providing a stage for artists to entertain visitors to Shillong.
Earlier on, I have shared with you the idea of how Shillong and Khandai Lat will be declared as a pedestrian zone where there will be no vehicular traffic inside as you enter Khandai Lat. We have already made tremendous progress in this respect, and within the month of June, we should be in a position to relocate about 200 vendors, street vendors who are currently operating and running their business at Khandai Lat, and they will be rehabilitated. Already the Shillong Municipal Board is on the job, and we expect that they will be able to complete the rehabilitation process by end of June. Once that happens, then this entire area will also become a music hub, starting with the stage that you see here, which will be of a permanent nature. We have been calling ourselves the music capital of India, and therefore this is just the right place where anybody who lands in Shillong will first be welcomed by the sounds of music, tunes, performing artists will be crowd there to entertain visitors to Shillong, and therefore this, what you see behind you is something that will be of a permanent nature. The stage set for budding as well as accomplished musicians who will be entertaining travelers as well as locals who are music enthusiasts. And we intend that by July this year we should be able to start this busking zone, music zone within the entire stretch of Khandai Lat, and once that happens, we will again come back to you with more details about future plans. The process of rehabilitation will be completed within June 2024. The rehabilitation of about 200 workers who are currently running their vending business in the Khandai Lat.
When will it start?
We will complete everything within June of this year.
And where will they be relocated by?
We have worked out the vending zones with the Shillong Municipality Board. So the Melia Urban Development Authority, MUDA, has also come forward to lend its support, and we expect that in the shopping areas identified within the MUDA complex here at Khandai Lat, these workers, 200 of them, right from notifying, identifying, and also registering these vendors. So we are close, at the very close of the exercise, and now what remains to be done is the rehabilitation of these workers physically within the Khandai Lat area, but away from the streets, the roads, and the footpaths of Khandai Lat.
So when will it start? The process, when will it start?
It will start within June itself, or even earlier than that, but it will be completed within June. We have taken everybody on board. Of course, we cannot expect 100% support from everybody, but you will also recall that there was a major fire that happened in this area, and an entire building was razed and destroyed in the fire, and fire tenders were not able to reach on time because of obstruction and the occupation of almost the entire road by loggers. That itself was going up in conflict.